In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your microphone on Otter AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the right mic, grant browser access, and confirm everything is working so your transcriptions are clear and accurate. First, open your browser and log in to your Otter.ai account. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is where Otter organizes your conversations and gives you quick access to recording tools. Next, head to the Otter Voice Meeting Notes area, which is essentially the home space for capturing and reviewing audio. From here, look for the record button. It typically sits near the top of the page and opens a small panel that controls your live recording session. Click record to bring up the recording interface. Before you actually start speaking, take a moment to set your input device. You'll see an option to pick your microphone. This might look like a drop-down that lists your USB microphone, a headset mic, or your computer's built-in microphone. Choose the device you plan to use. As a quick tip, if you're using a USB mic or headset, plug it in before opening Otter so it appears in the list. If you don't see it, unplug and reconnect the device, then refresh the page and check again. When Otter tries to access your microphone for the first time, your browser will prompt you to allow microphone access. Click Allow. This permission is required so Otter can hear your audio. If you accidentally block it, look for the small lock or camera or microphone icon in your browser's address bar, change the permission to allow, and then refresh the page to apply the setting. With your microphone selected and access granted, do a quick sound check. Speak at a normal volume and watch for a moving level indicator or waveform in the recording panel. You want steady movement that isn't hitting the very top. If it's too high, speak a little softer or back away from the mic. If it's too low, move closer and speak up. Reduce background noise by closing nearby apps that play sound and choosing a quieter spot when possible. That's it. You're logged in on the voice meeting notes page, recording is open, the correct microphone is selected, and access is allowed. You're ready to start capturing clear, accurate notes with Otter.ai. If anything seems off, recheck the selected mic and browser permissions, then try again. Thanks for watching and happy recording.